Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. So, if you are preparing for the Olympiad exams, so you are at the right place. In this video, what we will do, we will solve the current year mathematics question paper for class 2 and we have taken the set B, and this exam was held on 20th November only. And what I will do, I will explain question by question in a simple and clear way to help you understand every concept easily. Okay, so without taking much of your time, let's get started. And here is the exam first page. So this is the SOF, and basically this exam is organized by Science Olympiad Foundation, and we have picked the IMO, which is Mathematics Olympiad question paper, and this is for class 2, and the set B we have taken. And here you can see we are having total how many questions. We are having total 35 question. Here we can see, let me take the red color here. Okay, why it is not getting. Okay, yeah. And here the time duration is 1 hour. Okay, and here we are having some of the guidelines for the candidate. So what we need to do, student has to write their name, school code, classes, etc. on their OMR sheet properly. And this question paper basically has been comprises into 4 sections. And first section is logical reasoning, having 10 questions, and mathematical reasoning, everyday mathematics. Each of these first 3 sections having the 10 questions, and each question carry 1 marks. And the last section, which is the achiever section, we have to focus more on this achiever section, which contain 5 questions, and it carries basically 2 marks. Okay, and rest all questions are compulsory, and there is no negative marking, and rest of the guidelines we can go through. Okay, so here it is. We are having the first section, which is the logical reasoning. So what, as I said, we'll take question by question here, and here it is. Here we are having the first question. So what we need to do, find the missing alphabet in the given alphabet pattern. So here this is the alphabet pattern, right? So either we can solve this question from the left hand side or from the right hand side, but we know, like, it would be easy if we can go through from the right side. Why? Because we'll see. Okay, so we are having like A, B, C, D, then we are having E, F, G, H, I, J, and here it is, we are having K. Okay, so here we are having K. After that, what we are having? L, then M, then we are having N, O, and then we are having P, and finally we are having Q. Wow, so we got the answer. So the value of question mark is Q, and we can find where the Q is. Here it is. I hope you understand this question. Now we can pick the second question, guys. So here we are having the second question. So what we need to do in this question, which of the following figures is exactly same as the given figure? Yeah, so what we need to do, we need to find the exact same figure. So here we can start by comparing the picture. So here from the top we can start, like we are having a red flag on the top of the picture. So there are 2 pictures which is having the red flag, 1 and 2. So answer would be from the one of the A and C. Now we can compare the left part, both A and C having the same, and but right side we are having this red strip, but here we don't have that red strip. So here we are having this strip. Rest of the part also we can try. Yeah, wow, so we got the answer. So I hope you understand. It's a simple question only. So now we can pick the third question. So here we are having the third question. So here what we need to do, like which of the following figures is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its part. So we need to find these answers, like these figures, which of the figure is exactly fitting into this picture. So from the first option A, we can try to match the same thing. So what we need to do, we can check. So here left part we are having, then we can move to right, and from so here, wow, we got this one, I think. So this exactly is matching with this A part. So I think the answer should be A. I hope you all got this answer. Now move to next question. So now we are having the fourth question, which should be simple only. We have to just tell which of the following is heavier than the car. So we can check the A option, cycle. Oh, I don't think so. It's heavier than the car, right? So we can move to the option B. Oh, it's a helicopter. So we can say helicopter is heavier than the car. So answer should be B. I hope you understand this one. Then we can catch the question number 5. This is my favorite question. So what we need to do here? It's a little bit tricky. So this is the grid. We call this grid based questions. Okay. So this is the grid. Find the missing number if a certain rule is followed either row wise or column wise. So what we need to do, we need to find one rule which has been applied either column wise. So this is a column wise rule, and we can say from left to right it's a row wise rule. Okay, so we'll try first column wise rule. So what we can do, we can check the addition of the all those three values. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9. Okay, so the plus of the all these values is 9, then 5 plus 3 8, and it is also 9. But in last third, 7 plus 3 already 10. This is 10. So this is wrong, right? This is not the exact rule with for all these three columns. Now what we will check? We'll check this same rule row wise. Okay. So start 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 7 this is 12. Okay. 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 3 12 again. So 3 plus 1 4, and it should be also 12. So 12 minus 4 equal to 8. Do we have 8? Yes, we do have 8. So yeah, you must understand this logic and this rule which has been applied row wise. Okay, so the rule has been applied row wise. So the answer is A. Now we can move to the sixth question. So here we do have the sixth question. So what we need to do, which of the following has maximum number of corners? So we know in the first option, this ball having, this is a sphere, and a sphere having the 0 corner, and this is similar to cube. Cube is having like 6 corner. This is having 1, and this is having so the maximum corner is in the option B. Okay, it's a simple only. Now we can move to the 7 number question. So this should be also easy. We can see there is a picture of an animal which is called this kind of bird, and this bird is called again animal, and we can say fox is called peacock, peacock is called tiger, tiger is called zebra, zebra is called cow. So then what is a bird? And we know here what is the bird? Bird is a peacock, right? Peacock. And what peacock is called? Peacock is called tiger. So the answer should be C. I hope you understand this one. Now we can move to this eighth number question. Here we are having eighth number question. There is a certain relationship between the pairs of the figure on the either side. So what we need to do, we need to balance. Basically, we have to apply the same rule which has been applied in the left hand side here between these two, and we have to apply the same rule here as well as. Okay. So here this is the square. Square is basically having the same square hairs, and here we are having pentagon. We have to map this pentagon with the pentagon. So which is the pentagon here? So we are having two things here, but here it is like double shaded here, right? But it's a single border only. You have to find with a single border. So I think the answer should be C. Okay, so now we'll move to the 9 number question. So here it is, 9th number question. So what we need to do, if cow K and cow L are removed, so okay, let's remove the cow number K, okay, and remove the cow number L from the arrangement. And what we need to find then the cow, which cow is at the sixth from the left hand, and left hand is from this side. So count, start the counting, 1, 2, now we have removed this one, 3, we have removed this one as well as 4 and 5, and this is sixth one. So the answer should be easy, sixth one. Next question, question number 10. So we need to do grouping here, and grouping should be simple only. We need to make groups of 5 nests. Each can be formed from the given nests. Okay, so we need to make the groups. So okay, let's start to making the groups of 5 nests. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, why it is okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till here. No, will okay, and then we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we are having, sorry, let me take another snap, it's not gonna work. Okay, now we'll make the groups. So here it is first group, then here we are having second group, and here it is the group. So how many groups we are having? And we have taken 5 nests in each group. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 1, 2, 3 groups, right? So the answer is 3. So guys, we have covered the logical reasoning in this video. We will be back in the next section, which is mathematical reasoning. So till that time, enjoy your learning and subscribe my channel, and best of luck for your upcoming exam. Thank you.